lovely viewers, welcome to Ama's Corner. Today I'm going to teach you how to make waakye. It's rice and beans, but in Ghanaian language it's called waakye. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. The name is Nana Ekuna. So I'm going to start by showing you all the ingredients that I'm going to use today for my waakye. So this is a raw beans. This is what is used to cook the waakye. Mostly you can get them at the shop, any African shop or any Indian shop. We have here cooked beans. I normally cook my beans just because it takes a long time. So mostly before I'll start doing waakye, I cook my beans to get it ready for it. We have here our rice, as usual, any rice, but it's best to get jasmine. So this is our millet leaves. This is the main secret for making waakye. You can get this from African shops, mostly in Ghanaian shops. And this is our tablespoon of salt. So I'm going to start by cooking my millet leaves. As you can see, the saucepan is washed and clean and ready to go. So I'm going to put my millet leaf, everything in the saucepan. So I'm going to add my water to it. It all depends how soft you want your waakye. Some people really like hard one. I really like soft waakye, so I'm going to add this amount of water. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of salt to it. Then I put it on fire. As you can see, the boiling water turned into reddish wineish color. This color came from the millet leaves. So at this point I'm going to put my cooked beans. So I'm going to leave it to boil for extra 5 minutes, then I'll put my rice in there. So as you can see, it's ready, and I'm going to put my rice in there. There is no dirt in this rice, it's jasmine rice. So there is no need to wash it up. So I'm going to stir it so it's all mixed up with the beans. So I'm going to leave this on fire for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes I'll come and check. Our waakye has been cooking for 10 minutes now. You can see the color is changed. So at this moment I'm going to take the leaves off. So it's really hot, so you need to be careful. So this food is being served with black hot chili and tomato stew. It's up to you if you want to add tomato stew to it, but mostly I eat it with tomato stew with black hot chili sauce. So as you can see, my waakye, it's almost done. I just have to leave it for 5 more minutes so that the water can drain from it. So I'm going to put my napkin on so that it helps drain the water really fast. Then I'll cover it and I'll wait for 5 more minutes. And this is how soft I want my waakye. Okay, now it's ready to be served. Hello lovely viewers, thank you for watching today's episode. Try this at home with your family and you will love it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. See you next time, and the name is Nonama Akuma.